Hey there, welcome back to our channel Fast Decor. If you are looking to recalm your kitchen with or just want to some fresh ideas, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the modern kitchen designs ideas that can transform your space into the stylish and functional hub for your home. Let's get started. First up, opening shelves. It's all about the combination, particularly and aesthetics. Ditch those bulky cabinets for stick open shelves that can be let you display your beautiful dinnerware or cookware. It's create a more open and airy feel in the kitchen, making the space look bigger. Plus, it's a great way to add a personal touch to your decorative items or plants. Next, let's talk about the bold backspaces. A spring back splash can be open a focal point in your kitchen, whether it's a pattern tiles, metallic finishing, or a vibrant colors or bold backsplash add a personality and flair. And the best part is it's a easy update. It's a make a big impact. Two tones cabinets are the right range is are now. Pairing different colors or finishing up for upper and lower cabinets can be create a stunning contrast. These design trick can be added depth and character to your kitchen. For enhance, you can combine of soft and natural tones on top of the daring, bolding shades below. It's a simple yet effective way to elevate your kitchen style. If you prefer a clear, clutter-free look or a minimalistic design, might you go on. Stick a steel surface, handle at cabinets or integrate appearing. The minimalistic approach, focus and functionality and the simplicity make its kitchen feel more spacious and organized. Smart storage solution can be huge of different is your kitchen is functional. Think pull out drawers, hidden cabinets, a vertical storage. These innovation help you maximizing space, reducing clutter and keep everything within each other. Perfect for small kitchen and anywhere who loves a stay organization. For those who looks substantially using eco-friendly material like it's give great way to design a kitchen like both stylish and repurposed. Consider using reclaimed wood, bamboos, or a recycling material. Your cabinets not only look great, but it's they also kindly to environment. Mixing material, a trend of their hairstyle, goes on. Are the days when you had a match of all the material finishing. Mixing different material like brass, copper, stainless steel can add a depth and the contemporary touch to your kitchen. This is a key way to use. And here we have it. Some modern kitchen designs ideas to inspire your recommended kitchen. Which was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe our channel First Decor for more home decor designs and tips. Thanks for watching. We will see you in next time in next video. Thank you and have a nice